All right, it's Matt Davis, College for Landscaping. We're here at our Lucas Roads project. We had about a week delay with some rain and not being able to get sod. So I'll kind of show you. We're back over here, show you where we're at. So over here in the backyard, we've got the artificial turf has been installed out over here. We've got some of our grass in. Our crew is installing our flagstone path right now, heading over to the barn / basketball court. Kind of see we've got all this sod, some really nice Palisade zoysia has been installed here, and they're putting in our nice flagstone path so that they can go to the barn during rain events, and it just looks nice. It ties in well to this path around here. The electrical company's finally got the electrical box in, so we've got this raised stone border has been finished. You can see up here we've got sod installed in this front portion, which will hopefully contain some of this, well, not helpfully, it'll contain some of this erosion. So we got to come back through here during a rain event. It came through and washed all our soil down here, so we're gonna have to come back through here and clean all that up. You can see it kind of happen through there too. So we got some cleanup work to do from the rain events recently. We've got our paver front entry finished over there, and got some more river rock installed at the drainage basins over there. You can kind of see here we've got our sod installed and river rock going in through to all of our drains, going in through here. This area has all been sodded, and it's starting to actually come together and look really, really nice. Still got quite a bit of work to go, but you can kind of see what the end product of this front is. We still got a tree that we're waiting on delivery. That's going to go right there in the middle, and then we've got sod installed over here as well. So we are now working on, oh, forgot to show, got the columns installed, gate installed. Gate, we did the columns, gate was installed by another contractor. We've got our mailbox built over here. We did. Here's old Living Earth leaving. They just dropped off some more soil for us, and we're prepping this bed here. That's 25 yards of bed mix that we're going to mix in through here and get all this hopefully today, and get this side of the landscape installed while we wait for the sod farms to dry back out and bring the rest of the sod. So that's where we are over here on this project. Thanks.